The ELEGOO Neptune 2S is a feature-packed, budget-friendly 3D printer designed for hobbyists, beginners, and makers looking for a smooth, reliable printing experience. With compact dimensions of 8.666 x 8.66 x 9.84 and a total weight of 19.1 pounds, this sleek unit combines smart functionality with durable construction, offering excellent value for both first-time users and seasoned creators. Durable all-metal, dual-gear extruder. The Neptune 2S is equipped with an upgraded dual-gear Bowden extruder made entirely of metal, which ensures smooth filament feeding, reduced slippage, and enhanced extrusion precision. This contributes to improved print consistency, especially when working with flexible or abrasive materials. PEI-coated magnetic build plate. The printer features a flexible steel build plate coated with PEI, which enhances bed adhesion without the need for glue or tape. Once printing is complete, models can be easily removed by simply flexing the plate, no scraping required. This feature helps reduce print damage and speeds up your workflow. Precision bed, leveling with aluminum knobs. Built with high-quality aluminum leveling nuts and robust die springs, the Neptune 2S offers more precise bed leveling. These components are not only more durable than plastic alternatives, but also provide larger torque and make fine-tuning faster and easier, ensuring consistently excellent first layers. Quiet, smart printing experience. With a 32-bit motherboard and TMC 2225 stepper drivers, the Neptune 2S operates quietly, under 50 dB, making it ideal for home, office, or classroom environments. It also includes a filament runout sensor that automatically pauses printing when filament runs out and allows you to resume from the same spot, minimizing waste and failed prints. Everything you need to get started. In addition to the printer itself, the Neptune 2S package includes 4 extra nozzles, 2 replacement joints, and professional technical support from ELEGOO. Whether you're new to 3D printing or upgrading your existing setup, the Neptune 2S offers an accessible, high-performance solution backed by a reliable brand.